If you're looking for small cap stocks in India with promising potential for the future, here are 5 options to consider. Indian Energy Exchange Ltd, Power Trading Consultancy. Market cap Rs 18 to 992, 30 P ratio 52. Floating 5-year AVG net profit margin 61.01%, 5-year historical revenue growth 13.81%. 2. Central Depository Services. India Limited Stock Exchanges Ratings. Market cap Rs 29,916. 26 TR/PE ratio 71. 38 5-year AVG net profit margin 45. Mid 5-year historical revenue growth 29.89%. 3. Aptus Value Housing Finance India Ltd. Home Financing. Market cap Rs 16 to 91. 88 CRPE ratio 26. 30 5-year AVG net profit margin 42. 49% 5-year historical revenue growth 33.16%. 4. 5-Star Business Finance Ltd. Consumer Finance. Market cap Rs 21,664. 49 CR PE ratio 25. 92 5-year AVG net profit margin 36. 22%. 5-year historical revenue growth 37%. 5. Clean Science and Technology Ltd. Specialty Chemicals. Market cap Rs 15,688. Douglas P ratio 64. 29 5-year AVG net profit margin 32. 23%. 5-year historical revenue growth 15. 53%. These stocks have been identified based on their market capitalization, profitability, and growth potential. It's important to conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.